Hey guys, Carly Voinski from carlyvoinski.com, and today we're making a keto version of shrimp scampi and pasta. So we're gonna flip the camera around and show you all the ingredients that we're gonna use, and then we'll go step by step. Okay, so we have 1 pound bag of frozen shrimp, uncooked, deveined. We have fresh parsley, salt, pepper, some crushed red pepper. We have white wine for the sauce. We are going to be using zucchini noodles. These are yellow zucchini noodles, squash noodles, whatever you want to call them, and then butter and garlic. So while we have our shrimp defrosting, we have the noodles out here. We're going to sprinkle them with salt and then put another paper towel on top, because what happens is they are really watery, and if you start cooking them watery, it'll make your dish watery. So we're going to sprinkle with salt and cover with another paper towel and let that sit while we defrost the shrimp and chop up the garlic. So right now we're melting about 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to add garlic. I love garlic, so I add a ton of it. I think I chopped up about 6 cloves or so. We're gonna put that in there, let the butter melt. We're gonna add our wine, add our red chili pepper flakes, and see where we go from there. Okay, you see it's sizzling. We are going to add our white wine, lemon juice, which I think I forgot to tell you about in the beginning. So I'm gonna do about half a lemon, and also some red pepper. Now the red pepper is really to taste however much you want. I like it spicy. I'm gonna put in a little bit more than you might. That was about half a cup of the white wine. You can see the sizzle kind of like drifted off there. And then add some red pepper. And we're gonna mix it up, let it get together, and we're gonna add our shrimp, which we've defrosted. And I also took the tails off, because who really wants to eat the tails, right? Okay, so I waited until that kind of had a light boil to it, and then I added the shrimp. I added, basically it's a whole pound of shrimp. We're gonna cook them in there until the shrimp get pink, and then what we're gonna do is lower the heat. Right now it's on medium. We're gonna lower it down to low, let it simmer a little bit, season, salt, pepper, whatever other seasonings you might like to do, and then once the shrimp are all cooked, we're gonna add the noodles. I'm gonna add them right in there and just stir it around a little bit and let the noodles cook right in the sauce. Threw the noodles right in, lowered the heat, seasoned with salt and pepper. We're gonna mix it around. They do not need to cook for that long at all. They just need to get a little bit warmed up and cooked. And then we're gonna throw some chopped parsley in as well, and top with grated parm. And took it out. I have plated it. We added some more parsley up on top, some grated parm. Super, super looks yummy, and we will try it. And then I'll try to do the macros as best I can and pop that in for you guys. But it looks great. You can still do pasta meals that you love, and you can just get creative and use something different. So if you like this video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified of all new content as it comes out.